If there was ever a perfect diet, it would be one that you can lose weight and build muscle at the same time. Thankfully, we can do that. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys 4 healthy, yummy, delicious 400 calorie meal ideas that you guys can add or put in your diet to build some muscle and lose weight at the same time. Now, obviously, eating these meals won't just make you automatically jacked without some physical movement, but they will help in weight loss if you're in need in some fulfilling or satisfying meals. Also, these 4 calorie meal ideas work perfectly in a 1600 calorie meal plan or a 1200 calorie meal plan if you guys just remove one of the meals. So if you guys want to go ahead and take notes on all these meals, go right ahead. Alright, let's begin. Do me a big favor, guys. Smash that like button for me. That'll help me out a lot. As well as hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you guys won't miss any videos. Alright, let's start. The first meal that we're going to be having here is going to be a filler. Really, it's literally a big filler. It's gonna be an egg omelet. We're not just gonna get 1 egg, nor 2 eggs. We're gonna get 3 whole eggs and crack them into a pot. Whole eggs are full of healthy fats, as you guys can see. 15 grams of fats, 18 grams of protein, and barely any carbs. Great for weight loss, and only 220 calories. After that, we're gonna be putting 70 grams of mushrooms, which is about a cup, 16 calories, which is absolutely nothing, full of fiber as well. Then we're gonna put half a tomato, followed by half a bell pepper as well, of any color you guys like. The vegetables are extremely rich on fiber, which will help you stay full throughout the day and avoid you from binge eating. So we're gonna go ahead and mix those up nice and well. Get a pan and put half a tablespoon of olive oil, 7 grams of healthy fats. Olive oil is extremely healthy and 63 calories. Go ahead and dump the whole thing in there and spread it out evenly. And the last thing we're gonna put here is 30 grams of mozzarella cheese on top. Mozzarella is extremely high on protein. It's a protein cheese. And 30 grams of mozzarella is 9 grams of protein and 4 grams of fat, total of 72 calories, which is just awesome. It's just awesome. Let it cook there for about 4 or 5 minutes with a lid on top, and once it's finished cooking, it should look something like this. And guys, it just looks so heaven. It's so delicious. And it's just absolutely, I mean, it's just appetizing when you guys look at it. The total calories that you're getting here is 406, and the total macros that you're getting here is 31 grams of protein, 12 grams of carbs, 26 grams of fats. Now remember, majority of them are healthy fats, and 4 grams of fiber. You guys should be full for about 3 to 3.5 hours, even sometimes up to 4 hours. It's extremely filling, it's heavy, but it's extremely satisfying and just absolutely delicious. Now, if meal number 1 wasn't appetizing enough, meal number 2 is going to be extremely appetizing and delicious. It's going to be a chicken pizza. Who says you can't lose weight on pizza? So we're going to be getting 1 whole wheat of pita, and yes, it does have 28 grams of carbs, but don't worry about the carbs. They're not here to harm you because it's backed up by 7 grams of fiber. That's crazy. 7 grams of fiber. That's more. This pita has more fiber than the previous meal. Can you guys believe that? So that's insane. Total calories here is 168. Then we're gonna be putting 1 tablespoon of pizza sauce, which has only 2 grams of fiber, 8 calories. After that, we're gonna be putting 50 grams of chicken breast, boiled chicken breast, and this has about 16 grams of protein and 2 grams of fats, 82 calories. After that's done, we're gonna be putting 40 grams of mozzarella cheese again, high on protein, has 14 grams of protein and 6 grams of fat, total of 110 calories. After that, we can put whatever vegetables you guys want. I chose 20 grams of onions and as well as 20 grams of bell peppers. That's how I love my pizza with. It just tastes delicious, and so you guys can put whatever you guys want, but I chose onions and bell peppers. Put that in the oven for about 10 minutes, let it come out, and just look. This is heaven. Look how nice that looks. Look how heavenly this looks like, guys. So tasty and delicious. And the total calories here is 404. I mean, just cut it into 8 slices and it's 50 calories each. That's not a bad deal, and you're getting extremely high protein. Total macros here is 37 grams of protein, 37 grams of carbs, 12 grams of fats, and 21 grams of fiber. 21 grams of fiber, and oh, you know how filling this is, guys? You are so full after this pizza, man. You are so full. You're full for a solid 3 to 3.5 hours. I think you could be even fuller than the egg in the first meal. It's absolutely filling. 21 grams of fiber is not a joke, guys. Tastes great, build muscle, lose weight. And they say you can't lose weight while eating pizza. Sheesh! The third meal is something that I have personally on a regular basis, and that's going to be a protein shake. Chocolate protein shake. Check this out. First, we're going to be getting 250 milliliters of coconut milk. Coconut milk is extremely healthy for you guys. The fat that you're getting here is healthy. It's essential. And the calorie is not even 60. I mean, that's just insane for a whole cup. I mean, that's less calories than skim milk. Like, that's crazy. Follow up with that, we're gonna get 1 banana, chop that up and put it in there as well. Then we're gonna get 1 scoop of chocolate whey protein. You guys can use whatever flavor you guys want, vanilla, strawberry, whatever, but I love chocolate. 24 grams of protein, 117 grams of calories. Then we're gonna put 1 tablespoon of peanut butter there. It has 8 grams of fats, which is healthy fat, which is essential for your body, so you need that. It has a little bit of protein as well, a total of 100 calories. And the last ingredient here is going to be Nutella. 1 teaspoon of Nutella, or 6 grams of Nutella, has about 34 calories, and it's just Nutella. You can't go wrong with Nutella. I know this is not healthy, but you know what? It does give that kick that you need in this protein shake. It makes it so delicious, and you won't regret it. So add 1 teaspoon of Nutella. Don't be guilty. It'll just taste a lot better and you won't regret it. We're gonna go ahead and blend that up, and then we're gonna pour it out into a cup. Look how good that looks, guys. Doesn't that look so appetizing? I bet you $100 right now you're gonna go and make it. Like right now. The total calories that you're getting here is 407.5, and the total macros that you're getting here is 30 grams of protein, 37 grams of carbs, 15.5 grams of fats, and 4 grams of fiber. You guys should be full for about an hour and a half to 2 hours max. Very tasty, very delicious, and so satisfying and fulfilling. All right, so the 4th meal, or the last meal, is going to be a simple chicken salad. We're gonna be getting 100 grams of lean chicken breast, and we're gonna marinate that with 1 tablespoon of olive oil, which will give it a total calories of 281.5, and 31 grams of protein and 17.5 grams of fats. Majority of that fat is coming from the olive oil, so it's healthy. We're gonna go ahead and bake that, and while it's being baked, we're gonna go and make our salad. First, we're gonna be getting 40 grams of lettuce, and we're gonna be putting that into the pot. And this has about only 1 grams of protein, 1 grams of carbs, and 1 grams of fiber, which has a total of 8 calories. I mean, guys, lettuce is just crunchy water, but it's full of minerals and is really good for you. It boosts your immune system and your body will thank you. It's a wonderful vegetable to have. Following up with that, we're gonna get 100 grams of cucumbers, full of good fibers, as well as 100 grams of tomatoes, even better fibers. I'm gonna put them into the bowl. By now, the chicken breast should be done. Oh, that sizzle just never gets old. We're gonna go ahead and chop that up and put that into the bowl as well, following up by the second last ingredient, and it's going to be 12 grams of almonds, or 10 pieces of almonds. I'm just gonna throw that in there. You guys can smash it and make it as a powder and put it if it's easier for you guys to eat, but I like to have it just by itself. It just tastes good with it, and it's full of healthy fats. 6 grams of healthy fat, 3 grams of protein, 3 grams of carbs, and 1 gram of fiber, total of 78 calories. Nuts is a great food to eat to lose weight because it's just, it makes you full for a very long time and avoid you from binge eating and just keep you satisfied for a very, very long time. And the last ingredient here that we're going to be putting here is going to be calorie-free salad dressing. Just because it's calorie-free doesn't mean we have to go crazy on it. Bruh. Okay, I went crazy on it, but hey, don't abuse it. Just enjoy it. And overall, the salad just looks like this. Looks so appetizing, so yummy. And the total calories that you're getting here is 407.5. Same calorie mark as the protein shake, which is interesting. Total macros that you're getting here is 37 grams of protein, 12 grams of carbs, 23.5 grams of fats, and 5 grams of fiber. The fat content is high here because we used olive oil and as well as the almond as well, which is both healthy and needed for your body because it's essential, because the body can't produce it, so it needs to get it from outsourced foods, which olive oil and almond are great sources. You guys should be full for a solid 3 hours. And there you have it, guys. 400 calorie meal ideas that you guys can add to your diet to build some muscle and lose weight. And you know what? These calorie meal ideas don't take you more than 10 to 15 minutes to make. So 10 to 15 minutes to make and full for 3 to 4 hours. And you get to build some muscle and lose some weight. That's an amazing deal. So if you guys are this far in the video, that means you guys have enjoyed this video. So go ahead and smash that like button because I think I deserve it. But seriously guys, smash that like button if you guys enjoyed this video. And if you guys really did enjoy this video, check out this 300 calorie meal ideas for weight loss, as well as this 200 calorie meal ideas for weight loss, as well as this meal ideas playlist if you guys want to see more weight gain or more weight loss, or even just overall high protein calorie meal ideas. Click this playlist over here. Comment down below what you guys think about this one, and don't forget to subscribe, and I shall see you guys in the next video. Peace.